MQB chassis, why no trailing arm upgrade with rubber bushing, spherical only? Yeah, the problem is the rubber is a torsion bushing. So when the arm is clamped in place through the bushing has to twist. And because of the range of motion of that, rear suspension, making the rubber a lot stiffer doesn't allow the range of motion or twisting, and it stresses the rubber a lot. So the spherical is definitely the best solution. But I think for the rubber bushing route, we've chosen not to, just simply because the spherical works perfectly. It functions exactly how the bushing needs to. And honestly, the NVH is not bad. It's pretty minimal.
It's a pretty low compromise with a lot of benefit. The stability and
we'd recommend going with the modification that we have now. I think you'll be really happy with it, unless you're super sensitive to NVH. But the improvement in stability and handling is it's transformative to those cars.
Yeah, and there's still rubber in that rear suspension system. The NVH really wasn't bad. I'm remembering back